Stuck down here for 2 days with nothing.
10-12 with a naked man. I'm gonna put him underneath the bridge.
I can't tell. I can't move my legs.
Manatee County deputies receive a report of faint screams from the woods. They find the source, a naked man in the water with a leg injury, and he is unable to move.
Hey, keep talking. Hey, keep talking. Hey, say it a little louder. Where you at? Down here. Okay, I'm coming. What's going on, buddy?
Watch 1, are you still monitoring 1?
You can't walk?
What you got? What's going on, man?
Stuck down here for 2 days with nothing.
10-12 with a naked man. I'm gonna put him underneath the bridge. We are in the middle of a creek on a railroad track. He's saying it's about 17th and 53rd.
And EMS is going to have to meet us in the southwest part of the property at this school.
He not going to be able to get out. We're going to have to carry him out of here. Because the truck can't come down here. All right, listen, brother. We got to get you on the bank. Here, we're trying to stand up now, ready? 1, 2.
Oh, my shoes are coming off.
It's okay.
Oh, yes, whenever.
What?
I can't tell. I can't move my legs. They're numb. You ready, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Here, bud. I'll crawl.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
His skin is literally peeling off his feet.
You've been here too long.
You've been in the water for a whole entire day?
2 days.
You've been in the water for 2 days?
2 days.
There we go.
There it is. Yes.
Sun's coming up.
Ready?
There we go.
Is there enough down there?
I know you. I appreciate it, man. You got some saving angels, I'll tell you what.
1, 2.
All my muscles
All right, one more step.
He was kind of a piece of shit to it. I don't understand.